Good afternoon, Grummies. Today is Monday, March the 2nd, and it's a tea time. Actually scheduled for Wednesday, but I'm dropping back to every 10 days on the feed schedule, so they'll be getting a feed Wednesday. I'm going to sock it to the tea this morning. This one bottle of Green Rush seaweed extract is enough to make 800 gallons of tea. 0.5 grams per gallon. We ain't gonna worry about being 5.1. That's close enough for government work. Even better than government work. They ain't as good. Oh, there we go. It dropped back. Close enough. A half a teaspoon of unsoftened molasses. Not a tablespoon, not a half a tablespoon, a half a teaspoon. I'm gonna chuck it in the bucket and get back to you in a flash. Okay, dokie. 6.21 pH and 70.3 degrees. We are ready to roll. Let's go hit the little American gangster first. She will not be getting a feed Wednesday. I won't give her a feed until the end of week 6. Okay, dokie. Give her 5 in the bottom here real quick. I picked up my light about 4 clicks yesterday. She was starting to get into like 450 on the par. So I picked the light up some. And she grew an inch. She grew a damn inch overnight last night. She's now 10 inches tall. And not a pistol in sight. Man, I hope she stays that way. I'll be doing a happy dance if she can get into week 6 without a pistol. She'll blow this damn little 2x2 up. Oh, and it's all I can do. Oh, I got a nice node spacing in there. It's all I can do to keep from bending her over, Grummies. I promise you. I'm having anxiety attacks. I want to bend her over. Butt in the air, face in the dirt. I ain't joking. I'm going to behave myself. Oh, I lost count there. Just checking the video. I think that was only 4. What the hell?
Thank you very much.
I'll give her 4 in the bottom or whatever that was, and 3 in the top, and I'll come back later.
Thank everybody for being here, and please feel free.
She's looking good. Oh, I'm excited to get these new beans out to y'all. I can promise you that. She's gonna be spectacular.
Ceremony that can be much more important than this. Let me provide a brief update on Operation.
All right, as usual.
Today, the United States military
I can't talk and walk or do anything at the same time.
to eliminate the
So I'm going
threats
to
posed
have to watch the video and come back to this lady. Let's head into the grow room. Back in a flash.
obliteration of our
Okay, dokie. I'm not sure about the date on anything right now. I believe this cheese is day 2 of week 12. Well, what a mess, Marvin. I'll give a full update Wednesday when we give everything a feed. I pretty much water the same thing all the time. My 3-gallon pots, they get a liter once they're full on going. They get a liter, whether it be once every day, once every other day, or once every 3 days, depending on where what stage the plant's in. For 5-gallon pots, 1.5 liters. For 7-gallon pots, 2 liters. I always keep that the same. It just varies on how often. But I'll come back and give the other 10 100 mil syringe rounds in the top. She's coming on. she's coming on. I don't know too much. I ain't really sure whether I like the the Fox Farm and the Happy Frog mix. I don't know. I'm kind of up in the air on it. Because my plants don't usually look hungry. It's usually the other way around. Getting a little tip burn and all that kind of stuff. But I don't know. I done got a bunch of it mixed up now anyway, so we're going to use it. Alright, let me take care of this right here and we'll jump into the 2x2. Okie dokie. I cleaned up Marvin's crap. Man, I'm telling you, I love mushrooms. I love the smell of mushrooms. I just want to pluck one of them tops off and just eat it. They're smelling delicious. And they're getting chunky, Grummies. I can't wait. Can't wait to get her down because I can't wait to get my outside stuff going. And then I'm going to run 6 1-gallon pots in here. Little sea of green. I see a little fungi gnat. I'll get his ass. One fungi gnat. Get a little sea of green going. 6 2-gallon pots. I'm going to run all my shit. Everything. There'll be all different strains in here at one time. I can't wait to do it. Back in a flash. Wait, almost forgot you, Grummy. I almost forgot you. I chunked 500 mils down in the bottom there. I'm just gonna let her soak that on up and I'll come back and finish her off when I come back and see how much I gave to Oogie Cheese. She got a few more weeks, and I'll get to take her down. I wish I could get a big plant out of this thing. I don't know, I might have got a decent one out of it if I wouldn't accidentally topped it, but she's worth it. Would be an ideal plant to run a sea of green with a bunch of small pots, because other than just not getting the potential size I'm looking for, she is fantastic in every other way. And I'll keep trying. I'll keep trying for you, Grummies. Have a fantastic day. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.